What's going on, you guys? So we're here in the Civic and we're gonna clean it out today. Take off all these seat covers and see what the chair looks like under. Take out some of these floor mats and stickers around the car. See how much we'll get done today, and really just go through the thing. See, kind of just take out whatever garbage is in here and see what's kind of neat that got left behind. So one of my concerns was the seat covers. The seats don't feel bad underneath. If they're dirty, we could always just clean them. Let's see how to take these off. So the seats are actually in pretty good condition. I'm like, of course they need to be vacuumed, and that's about it. I don't even think I need to wash them, but I'm gonna wash them anyways. Just use carpet cleaner, suck up all the dirt out of it, just to give it a fresher, new, clean look. So I'm going to continue taking off these seat covers, and then we'll see the next item. So next thing to go is these cushions for the seat belt are gone. Nice. Next is still center console, or the little center console thing has a cover on it. Let's see why. Not that good quality. It's all worn in by people resting their arm on it, but not that big of a bother. If anything, I'm going to put a nice cushion pad here instead. As for floor mats, we have this one up front. It doesn't have the factory floor mat, and the rear has like this cotton one. We're going to take these off, and I actually have some left over from the Mercedes that I'm going to throw on there. They're black, they're simple, like they don't stick out as much. Next thing we're going to do is remove the steering wheel cover and see what it looks like inside. If it's nasty, already have plans on changing this to a aftermarket steering wheel, so only got to live with it for a little bit. Next, we're in the rear or in the back seats. We're going to take off this cover. It's weird, it's only got cover in the bottom, not in the back, but check this out. That's all the old stuff so far we've taken off. We're going to when we take this off, we're going to just bundle it all together. Now that we got the seat cover off, we're going to just clean up and take out garbage like that, stuff like that. And free hand sanitizer. Score, it's worth like $30 right now. Thank you, coronavirus. Yeah, we're just gonna clean it up, but the car's looking a lot better already. Back to factory. And that's it for the interior, guys. All garbage out, everything unnecessary taken out. They did leave a phone mount, which I'm gonna leave for now. That's a reverse camera, or that's a screen for the reverse camera. This is the wiring. It's kind of different, so I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on there and clean that up and make it safer than that. You guys see that? I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna leave that air freshener right now. Documents only in here. That's it for the interior. We do have things like this. The wiper or the sunscreen is wrapped with carbon fiber. You guys can't even see it. It's wrapped with carbon fiber, so we're going to take those off. Maybe this video, maybe another video. So the trunk's actually pretty clean. It's got this box of liquids. We'll check this out in a little bit. The lid for it. Don't know what this is for, but we'll save that. And a bunch of cups. Like a dozen cups. If anybody needs cups, it'll be by my garbage. Feel free to pick it up. And that's it for the trunk. We're going to check the spare tire. I know when I bought the car, I checked that out. So there's some garbage in here. We'll pull all this out and check the tire pressure on that spare. Now we're done with the trunk. We'll go through all this, double check all the time, make sure there's nothing important in here, and get rid of it. So now we just got to vacuum all this mess. I have my cordless shark here. It comes with like a little spinner brush there, this, and nozzle. So we're just going to clean up all the little spots that we can back here and in the interior. This is what it looks like with a quick vacuum. I believe that's just some rust spots, so we just got to wash that. So I got ahead of myself. I finished vacuuming the interior of the car. I took off the phone stand that was there, the phone holder. I removed this glue residue. So we're going to have to clean that up, and I just moved it over there. Hopefully it sticks. If not, we'll just get our own. Since we do have USB ports down here, I decided to put the I'll put our cable here to charge our phone that would be up there. But before we tackle that mess, we're going to go ahead and just give the whole interior a quick wipe down with our natural shine and protectant from Meguiar's. So remember the spot that was there, I wiped it down and it pretty much came off. So I just put a little bit more of the protectant on it, a little bit more oil. I'm going to let it sit there for about a minute and wipe it off one more time and it should be all gone. So now that we got the interior clean, we're going to go ahead and start working on the outside of the car. I'm going to still work on that glue spot later. Exterior, things I want to get done, probably won't get done today. The things we want to get done with the exterior today is remove these stickers. This is all sticker here and then the opposite side, but I think I'm going to leave it on for now because I feel like that's going to be a bigger job than I want it to be. There's a sticker here as well. I'm going to work on that glue spot in a little bit later. The trunk has like 3 stickers on it. I'll take off, and I'm in the middle of taking off the license plate right now. I was going to debadge the car right now as well, but looking at it, there's a lot of like white under the badges, so I don't want to take off the badges and have white spots in the trunk, so I'm just leaving them on, at least for now. So that's it, you guys. I put the license plate back on. The sticker's a lot harder to take off than I thought it was going to be, so I actually had to soak and probably use a scraper on it, plastic scraper. The glue up front, all gone. Just let that, the sun was sitting on it, so it got real soft, but then clouds covered, so it got a little bit harder. I was able to just peel it off and scrub off any excess. But that's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content on the Civic and the other vehicles.